Greetings, financial enthusiasts. Are you ready to unravel the secrets of financial prosperity and personal growth? In today's video, we dive into the valuable lessons of Dave Ramsey, a renowned financial management expert. But before we get started, don't forget to click the like button to show your support for our channel. Dave Ramsey begins by delivering a powerful message: money is not the key to happiness nor a miraculous formula for transformation. Instead, it only amplifies our intrinsic qualities. Whether you're inherently generous or arrogant, wealth intensifies those traits. Join us as we explore Ramsey's 5 key principles for building wealth and leading a fulfilling life. Let's dive deeper into Action 1, Budget, one of Dave Ramsey's fundamental principles for achieving financial stability and success. Ramsey points out that creating a monthly budget is essential to gaining full control over your finances and laying a solid foundation for your financial future. Imagine yourself as the CEO of You Incorporated, a fictional company where you are the financial leader responsible for strategically managing every penny to achieve your goals. In this role, you will be in charge of drawing up a detailed financial plan, setting realistic goals and priorities for each spending area. By creating a monthly budget, you'll have the opportunity to thoroughly examine your expenses and income, identifying where your money is being spent and where adjustments can be made. Not only will this help avoid unpleasant financial surprises in the future, but it will also allow you to make financial decisions that are more conscious and aligned with your life goals. In addition, regularly tracking your spending against your planned budget is critical to ensuring you are on track to achieve your financial goals. Be honest with yourself when setting realistic goals and adjust your budget as needed to ensure it reflects your current financial priorities and circumstances. By taking a strategic approach to managing your money and creating a detailed monthly budget, you'll be paving the way for a secure financial future and realizing your goals with confidence. Remember, financial control starts with knowledge and awareness of where your money is going, and a well-crafted budget is the key to achieving that clarity and control. Action 2, Debt Elimination, one of the fundamental pillars of Dave Ramsey's method for achieving financial stability and independence. Ramsey rightly reminds us that living under the weight of debt makes us slaves of our creditors, preventing us from achieving true financial freedom and prosperity. It is time to free ourselves from this financial prison and regain control of our income and financial future. To achieve this freedom, it is essential to prioritize debt elimination, adopting a proactive and strategic approach. This involves not only recognizing the presence of debt in our lives, but also facing it head-on, committing to reducing unnecessary expenses and making wise financial choices. An effective way to get started is to assess all your existing debts by identifying your interest rates, payment terms and outstanding amounts. Then establish a priority payment plan, focusing on settling debts at the highest interest rates first, while continuing to pay the minimum on other debts. In addition, it is essential to adopt a more frugal and conscious lifestyle, cutting superfluous expenses and rethinking our consumption habits. This may involve making temporary sacrifices and redefining our financial priorities to align with our goals of eliminating debt and achieving financial independence. By adopting a mindset of commitment and determination, we can gradually overcome the mountain of debt that imprisons us and make way for a safer and more prosperous financial future. Remember, financial freedom is not just an achievable goal, but a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and focus. With perseverance and continuous effort, we can free ourselves from the bonds of debt and achieve the true financial freedom we long for. Action 3. Cultivate quality relationships, a crucial aspect to achieve financial stability and success in Dave Ramsey's method. Ramsey acutely highlights the significant impact our close relationships have on our financial situation and financial success. When we recognize that our income tends to reflect the average income of our closest friends, it becomes evident the importance of surrounding ourselves with people who embody the values and habits to which we aspire. Choosing our companies wisely not only shapes our perspectives and attitudes towards money, but also directly influences our financial choices and spending behaviors. It is therefore critical to cultivate meaningful and healthy relationships that promote personal growth and financial success. This involves seeking connections with individuals who share our financial goals and values, and who inspire us to reach our full potential. In addition, we must be aware of the impact our relationships have on our finances, seeking to avoid negative influences and patterns of excessive consumption that may compromise our financial goals. Instead, seek connections that encourage us to adopt healthy financial habits, such as savings, investment, and conscious spending. By cultivating quality relationships, we are creating a network of support and positive influence that drives us toward financial and personal success. Remember, our closer relationships have the power to shape our financial journey and determine our long-term success. Therefore, choose your companies carefully and intently, seeking connections that inspire and strengthen your path to financial stability and personal fulfillment. Action 4. Save and invest, a key component of Dave Ramsey's method for achieving financial stability and building a secure financial future. Dave Ramsey rightly highlights the importance of saving and investing as essential steps to achieve a solid financial foundation and prepare for the uncertainties of life. These actions not only allow us to handle unexpected expenses, but also enable us to plan and ensure a dignified retirement, offering long-term financial security and tranquility. First, Ramsey underscores the importance of building an emergency fund to face unexpected expenses. Having an adequate financial reserve to cover unforeseen situations, such as unexpected medical expenses, urgent home repairs or job loss, provides us with a financial safety net that allows us to face these situations with confidence and stability. By saving regularly and accumulating a robust emergency fund, we are preparing to deal with the inevitabilities of life responsibly and effectively. In addition, Ramsey emphasizes the importance of investing intelligently to ensure a secure financial future. Properly investing our financial resources allows us to make our money work for us, increasing our wealth over time and preparing us to achieve our long-term financial goals, as comfortable retirement and lasting financial security. By taking a strategic approach to investing, diversifying our investments and pursuing sustainable growth opportunities, we are building a path to a stable and prosperous financial life. Saving and investing are essential steps to achieve financial stability and ensure a secure financial future. By prioritizing the construction of an emergency fund and investing wisely for the long term, we are empowering ourselves to face the uncertainties of life with confidence, resilience, and lasting financial security. Action 5. Practice generosity, a fundamental principle highlighted by Dave Ramsey in his approach to achieving financial stability and a fulfilled life. Dave Ramsey reminds us that generosity goes beyond simply making monetary donations. It involves adopting a spirit of compassion and kindness in our daily interactions. By practicing generosity, we not only contribute to the well-being of others, but also enrich our own lives by developing a mindset of abundance and gratitude. Generosity is not limited to grand gestures. It can be expressed through small acts of kindness, such as offering an attentive ear to someone who needs to vent, helping a neighbor with household chores, or simply sharing a smile and kind words with strangers. These small actions have the power to create a significant and positive impact on the lives of the people around us. In addition, generosity can manifest itself through sharing our material resources with those in need. By donating to charitable causes or supporting non-profit organizations, we can contribute to causes that are important to us and make a tangible difference in the lives of others. Dave Ramsey reminds us that practicing generosity not only benefits the recipients of our actions, but also brings us a sense of accomplishment and purpose. As we share our blessings with others, we are cultivating a mindset of abundance and building meaningful relationships based on compassion and mutual care. Generosity is a fundamental practice that enriches our lives and strengthens the communities in which we live. By adopting a spirit of generosity in our daily interactions and sharing our resources with those in need, we are contributing to a more compassionate, supportive, and rewarding world for all. The valuable lessons shared by Dave Ramsey provide us with a practical and powerful guide to achieving financial stability and a fulfilled life. By implementing these 5 actions, creating a budget, eliminating debt, cultivating quality relationships, saving and investing, and practicing generosity, we can transform our relationship with money and build a solid financial future. Now I invite you to commit to these principles and apply them in your daily life. Subscribe to our channel to receive more valuable content on personal finance and personal development. Share this video with friends and family who can also benefit from this information. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences and ideas on how to apply these strategies in your life. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.